Hey everybody, I know you guys saw my haul, or I hope you saw my haul, from Michael's yesterday, and this was on sale for 60% off. $39.99 and I got it for $16. 60% off. Oh my god. I had my eye on this for a very long time. I hope I like it. I really do. If not, I return it. But I figured we can open it together and organize it. Michael's had everything for organization at 75% off. It's actually very pretty. Put it here. Oh, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 compartments. So let's see how we do this. Okay, so I'm back and I organized my washi. Look at how cute these drawers are. And how neat is this washi? So now that I organized that, I then have to organize my desk again, which is fine. Okay, so here's a different view of the washi holder. Isn't that cute? Look at all of this. How organized do you think I feel right now? Look at how pretty. All right. I don't know how long that sale is going on at Michael's, but I say call them, order it online, go pick it up. $16. You can't beat this. You know what I just realized? That this here slides all the way down and then diagonals. How cute is that? If you have this, let me know what you think of it. If you don't have it and you want it, let me know that too. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.